Hey, what's up, Chainlink holders? Chainlink is one of my favorite cryptocurrency, and today video is gone absolutely very urgent and very important. You know why? This is one big reason. This is absolutely one big reason that I explain in this video. This is absolutely very important for Chainlink holders because the reason is very important. So before I get started this brand video, I request you to please subscribe a basic channel because subscribe is very important. You know why? Yes, I explain subscribe is why very important. If you get subscribed, this is not just a click. Okay, you have notified every crypto news, bad news or good news of all cryptocurrencies, not just Chainlink. Chainlink is my favorite. Therefore, I daily update about this. Okay, so let's get started. The price prediction of Chainlink. I hope you subscribe a basic channel and press the like button and also press the bell icon for notification. Okay, guys. So first of all, I'm gonna show you a 1 hour result. So this time you can see here on the screen 1 hour result. So this time you can see here the chart is absolutely gone good. This is absolutely very good chart. You can see here the 0.23% they're gone up. So this is absolutely good for Chainlink order. If you can see here, the price is 30.45 US dollar. Absolutely the price gone up. This is absolutely, and I hope at the end of this month they can easily cross 40 US dollar. What you say? They can cross 40 US dollar? Please share your opinion in a comment box because this is very important. You know why? Because this is absolutely very important for a new holder. For a new holder, they can hold it. So thanks for your opinion. Okay, please you share your opinion. Okay, guys, let's see the last one. The last 1 day result. Okay, I hope the last 1 day result absolutely gonna good. So let's check it out. You can see here the last 1 day result. Absolutely, the price is gone up. The price is going up day by day. I hope they can cross 50 US dollar. What you say? If I see this type of result, then I recommend this. Absolutely, they can cross, easily cross. They can 40 to 50 US dollars. So if they can cross 40 to 50 US dollar, then they can give you a very good profit. They can make me a millionaire. So I also buy this time. I also buy the Chainlink coin. So this is absolutely good time for buying, not for selling. Okay, don't sell it any Chainlink coin. Okay, so thanks for watching. I updating you every hour, so don't forget to subscribe to my basic channel and please play like video. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.